Affiliate marketing can be highly rewarding, but it comes with challenges. Let's talk about 5 key pain points and how to tackle them. First, traffic generation. Many struggle to attract the right audience. Focus on quality over quantity by targeting specific demographics and using SEO-driven content. Second, trust. If your audience doesn't trust you, they won't convert. Build credibility with transparent, honest reviews and focus on helping, not just selling. Third, competition. The market is saturated with generic content. Stand out by creating unique, value-driven posts that speak to your audience's real needs. Fourth, tracking performance. Without proper tracking, you won't know what's working. Invest in reliable tools to measure your campaigns and adjust accordingly. Finally, product quality. Don't promote low-quality products. Always vet your merchants and align with brands you trust. Master these areas, and you'll be on the path to long-term affiliate marketing success.